Every unnecessary security alert costs your business time. Even worse, too many false alarms can cause your team to overlook a real security threat. Most false alarms aren't caused by intruders. They're triggered by wind, rain, shadows, animals, headlights, or other everyday activity that traditional motion detection simply can't distinguish. Every unnecessary alert takes attention away from the events that actually matter. Over time, security teams become overwhelmed, response times slow down, and confidence in the system begins to fade. Modern AI-powered security cameras don't just detect motion. They identify people and vehicles, helping businesses receive fewer nuisance alerts while improving overall security. Technology alone isn't enough. Proper camera placement, lighting, detection zones, and professional installation all play an important role in reducing false alarms. The goal isn't to eliminate alerts. It's to make sure every alert deserves your attention. That's how businesses improve security while saving time and reducing unnecessary investigations. At camerasecuritynow.com, we design intelligent surveillance systems that help businesses reduce false alarms and improve situational awareness. Whether you're upgrading an existing system or installing new cameras, we'll help you build a solution that works for your business. The best security systems don't generate more alerts. They generate better ones. Learn how we can help you reduce false alarms and strengthen your commercial security system. Visit camerasecuritynow.com today to schedule a free site visit.